Alright, if you're a beginner waver, this video is for you. If you're starting your, waving process and you're struggling with dry hair or your hair is really rough, I'm gonna just give y'all a couple tips that you need to do to get your hair at a good stage where it's easy to maintain, easy to manage, and easy to brush. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is moisturize. I focus on really adding a good moisturizer to my hair when I'm starting my 360 wave process. When I was a beginner and I had rough hair, I moisturized and I conditioned my hair. You know what I'm saying? Get a good moisturizer and a good conditioner. But in this video, we're gonna focus on more on the moisturizer, because that's what I'm using. But in the future, you want to focus on conditioning your hair too, but right now we focusing on moisturizing. That's what you really need if you really struggle from dry hair, rough hair. If you have dandruff, moisturize your hair. It will help with that too. Another tip that I do to really get my hair soft, if it's really rough, if I haven't really brushed in a while, if I've been slacking, I do the hot towel method. Hot towel method. You want to do this before you brush your hair. You just put it on, boom. Smack that hot towel on. I put the hot towel back on. After I finish my session, put it back on you over your do-rag just like this. Then double compress. You know what I'm saying? Because the do-rag will be wet. Double compress with a dry do-rag or put a dry wool cap under that wet do-rag. But that's one tip right there to really get your hair soft, easy to manage. Sometimes I remember when I had my afro, I just cut my hair and I just started brushing and my hair was really rough because I wasn't using products that got my hair soft. I wasn't using products for waves, all that. When I had an afro, I was just off the straight nappy. You know what it is, man. When your hair is nappy, your hair is rough. You know what I'm saying? So I had to switch over to different type of products to really get my hair soft. So you have a fro right now, or you just cut your hair, moisturize, the hot towel method. And another thing that I do is the hot oil treatment. The hot oil treatment. I do that, probably like once a week. You really want to get your hair shine. If you want to add shine to your hair, hot oil treatment, it'll give you that natural shine. You know what I'm saying? On this channel, we all about that natural shine. That hot oil treatment will help you with that. So that's what I do. You know what I'm saying? That's a few tips right there. But we're gonna get into the video. In this video, I'm just working on my overall pattern because we're going to the 540 / 360 swirl pattern. So my crown, my top, I got a lot of weak spots right now, you know what I'm saying? So y'all can just stay tuned to all my brushing angles. I'm showing y'all everything I use in this video. I will be combing out my hair, I will be brushing it, adding my moisturizer to it. This is the oil moisturizer hair lotion with castor oil, aloe vera. It has a lot of good, ingredients in it to really help your hair, get to that stage that you want it to. If you really want your hair soft, keep your hair healthy. Keep your hair healthy, you know what I'm saying? Add good products to your hair. Wash your hair out. Wash your hair out, you know what I'm saying? So you won't have that build up problem. But we're gonna get to the video working on my weak sides, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can brush with me. It's gonna be a brush with me, video. I'm working on everything, my weak sides, my back.
Fendi.